If your Bluetooth mouse stopped working, how do you fix it? Assuming you are using Windows 10. First, let's go to power option and disable fast boot. Power option, power and sleep settings. And here there is a option called additional power settings. And if you click, there is a option. Choose what the power button do. And here there is an option called turn on fast startup. Usually it is on. And if you want to uncheck, first you have to click change setting that are available. Then you can turn it off. I already turned it off. Once you have done that, let's go to second step. Delete the Bluetooth device. Device manager. And here you will find Bluetooth. And in my computer, my Bluetooth is Qualcomm, so I will select it and then uninstall device. I will click this one. After I click this one, the Bluetooth will disappear. And then after that, I will turn off my computer. Shut down, not restart, shut down. And after the computer is fully shut down, then turn on the computer. That's it. When the computer restarts, it will automatically fix the Bluetooth problem.